Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Arty Crafty Bee, where we make easy crafts every Wednesday and Sunday. For today's tutorial, we will be using very basic materials that we can find easily around the house. Here are the list of supplies you need to make this craft. First, we're going to take a large tissue paper and start cutting it into little pieces. You don't really need to cut them in even pieces. Just cut the tissue paper into random small pieces to get started. Mix water and glue into a bowl. Use a paintbrush to mix it all together. Use a paintbrush to apply glue onto your balloon. Start by applying your glue and water mixture on the top part of your balloon. Start covering your balloon with small tissue paper pieces. Apply another layer of glue onto the tissue paper using your paintbrush. Make sure it's nicely covered with glue. Similarly, keep adding small pieces of tissue paper all over the balloon. While gluing your tissue paper pieces onto the balloon, make sure to go with your paintbrush and apply another layer of glue over the tissue paper to make it nice and secure. Make sure not to overlap too many tissue paper pieces onto one place, or else it won't look very nice. Take your time to go through this process. Make sure the entire balloon is well covered with tissue paper. Once it is nicely covered with tissue paper, make sure to leave it overnight or at least for 2 to 3 hours so it's nice and dried. Once it is dried properly, you can start decorating or painting your lamp. I'm drawing some easy flower patterns onto the lamp. You can draw anything you want to. You can also add stickers if you want to. You can also use colorful tissue papers to make this lamp. Since the surface wasn't very even, it was a little difficult to draw these flower patterns onto the balloon, but if you're really good at painting, this won't be a problem for you. Once you are finished painting, make sure to leave it to dry properly. Untie your balloon and let the air come out slowly. Carefully take out the balloon from the tissue paper base. Use a pair of scissors to cut the bottom part of your tissue paper base evenly, so when you put it down, it can stand properly. And here you go, your lamp is ready. Thank you for watching. See you next time.